Welcome back to Waaibot. In this tutorial, we will walk through building your first intelligent chatbot flow. Let's quickly recap. We have already set up our account, activated the trial, and successfully connected our WhatsApp device. Now, we are ready to build. From your main command center, look to the sidebar menu. Click on the Workflows tab to enter the Automation Studio. This is your workflow library, where all your bots live. To start a new design, simply click the Add Workflow button at the top right. Next, choose your starting point. You can select a blank workflow to design completely from scratch, or pick one of our predefined templates to get a head start with ready-made logic. Give your workflow a clear name. Let's call this one Welcome Bot. Add a brief description so you can identify it later. Then click Use Template to open the editor. You are now inside the visual builder. Every bot begins with a start node. You need to open the node editor. You can do this quickly by double-clicking on the node itself, or by selecting the node and clicking the blue Edit button in the top toolbar. This opens the configuration panel. Here, we are defining a simple text response. In the message area, type the exact reply you want your customers to see, for example, "Welcome to Waaibot." Once you are happy with the text, click Save to store your changes. Your first chatbot logic is ready. Now, let's deploy it. Navigate back to your main dashboard and select your active device to open its management console. Scroll down to the Assigned Workflows section. This is where you control which bots are active on this number. Click the plus button to add a new assignment. Select the workflow we just created. Be sure to toggle the primary switch. A primary bot acts as your main receptionist for all general conversations, whereas Waaibot also supports specific sub-bots, which we will cover later. Click Save Assignment. Your bot is now linked. However, before unleashing it on the world, let's test it safely. Click the pencil icon next to the workflow to edit its deployment settings. Here, enter your personal mobile number in the Test WhatsApp number field. This creates a safe sandbox. The bot will only reply to this specific number. Once you are satisfied with your tests, you can remove this number to make the bot live for everyone. Click Save to confirm. Your chatbot is now ready and running in test mode. Let's switch over to our WhatsApp screen to test this. That wraps up our setup guide. Your Waaibot is now live and ready to work. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.